Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix sorry something went wrong problem on Facebook. Please watch full video. Let's begin. First open Play Store. Now search Facebook Lite. Now click on uninstall. And install again Facebook Lite. Now click on open. Log in your Facebook account. Problem solved. Facebook Lite, sorry something went wrong problem solved. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.